Why accessibility? It's extremely important for sure. Everybody does not use computers and internet and the web exactly the same way. Folks could have vision disabilities, cognitive disabilities, motor disabilities, and there's a large percentage of the population that many designers, developers, front-end developers, back-end developers, they forget about these audiences a lot of times. And a lot of the stuff that we do to make websites and applications and everything accessible it's just a matter of knowing, and once you have the knowledge in your tool belt, it's not anything additional. So it's education for sure. I like to promote that, and I'm just passionate about the subject. Accessibility is not a barrier to innovation. I think a lot of folks think that there's all these complex rules about accessibility and there's a lot of overhead to it, so it's better not to even deal with it than get into it. I would like people to learn, leaving with a plan, knowing what they need to do, knowing how to take these patterns into their organizations on how to write better code, write accessible code, and think about the audiences, some of these audience types that they're not thinking of. And so I think folks leaving should have a plan and get the gears turning on where to go next in some of the websites they work on. So although my career has taken many turns with being a software developer, a back-end developer, front-end developer, manager, to a business owner, one of those things that has been my key driving force has been education. And through education, there's some key topics that I like to talk about. And one of those is accessibility.